College Mune Pibro Session Pad Kajing Marak Marathon Kane pada kadeh po Ribohoi District Fit India Freedom Run 4.0 Office of the District Sports Officer Ribohoi District in collaboration with District Commission Ribohoi District invite one and all to participate in the Freedom Run. Tekane ka jing Marak Freedom Run kande ka live poetry October arjar apply kapor kade new baji step. Kajaka kade kane ka road kade Sidon Indoor Hall to NSCA Indoor Hall Lingkadaj nongpo. Category open men and women but kente bersindang kalau open baik ka price bedek first kadong 1,000 second long 1,000 third long 1,000 youngest and oldest kin yo baik Marsha jar kin shimitang way hi youngest way and oldest way te nak klik kente langut nagi sindang langut namta kane category open kalau open baik kemudian age category ra. Participant can register themselves with the district sports officer Ribohoi district from 10 am to 4 pm. Kibakwa punishmenta namta kane kin shule register LD hapo ka DSO office jong Ribohoi nadu 10 baje step hadu 100 baje janmin. Important instruction kelas date namta ka registration kan long live October arjar apply. Oldest participant should produce original epic card Febra ek original epic card on the day of the run hakapor ba mare ek mukba ka live poetry October. Youngest participant should produce original birth certificate on the day of the run. Youngest ru habra ekataka birth certificate. Reporting time for runners on the 31st October 2023 at starting point 6 am. Haka starting point kan sedang 2 baje hab report mo. Teka sedang bade kan sedang nyo baje. Te namta ke jing tiba khamnya select register le po district DSO office Ribohoi district Barsakali namta ke jing tiba khamnya baro. Tangki nahi khule shubon.